Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about run the macro. Today I want to show you how to run the macro in different ways. So first of all, I come here to the developer, and here this big button macros, I click on this, and here you can see many options here, but I select the macro first. Here I can just press on this run. You can see. So the next one, previously we created the shortcut key which was Ctrl Shift W. So I just press that, Ctrl Shift W. You can see I had one sheet, now I have the second sheet here. So it's the two ways. The third way, I just come back to record macro. I come back here, and under the developer here I have the insert. When I click on this, I have many options here, but I cannot bring changes to this. I just have to select one of these. I select this one. After that, I can create the button. After that, I should select the macro from here and OK. So its name is button number 1. I can edit its name. I just write here W underscore E, and yes. So whenever I come here, so when I click on this, now you can see I have two sheets. When I come here and click on this, you can see I have the third one here. I go back and repeat this, click again, so I have the fourth one. So there is also another way, and the other way I just come to insert, and here I select a shape. I can edit this shape, customize it, come here to format and change its format. I can change its color, its format, and yes. So the last thing, I have to assign it to the macro. I just right click on this and here assign macro, and I choose my macro and OK. So here when I come and I click here, it creates new macro. Yes, so you can see that we can run macro through different ways. So the last one, I want to change the shortcut key, and that's also very easy. I just come here to developer, click on macros, and here I select my macro. After that I come to option, and here you can see here is Ctrl Shift W. I can press Shift E, simply just change it to Ctrl Shift E and OK. Cancel this. So now when I press Ctrl Shift E, so it will run the macro. Ctrl Shift E, yes. Yeah, that's it about running the macro. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.